Social Security Commission started decades ago trying to develop the National Pension Fund. And there was such resistance from the financial services industry, who brought in the IMF and the World Bank to support their position, that that was one problem. The other problem was inadequate statistics to really do decent actuarial projections, but that project was put on hold, all right? The Social Security Commission has done a lot of research and developed proposed designs for both the fund and for governance. And I can't say when, and I'm not going to talk about what it is, but I think it'll be there will be public discussion of it, and I'm sure we'll be back here, and some of you will be back here to comment on it. But the basic principle, which at least our ministry has insisted upon, is the principle of the Solidarity Fund. All right. So to create a pooled fund for low-paid employees who are subsidizing each other is not going to do the job. And I just wanted to mention one thing. The Namibian Constitution, Principles of State Policy, Article 95, Section 6, includes as a policy that the state is supposed to promote for the welfare of the people insurance that senior citizens are entitled to and receive a regular pension adequate for the maintenance of a decent standard of living and the enjoyment of social and cultural opportunities. Now, from what I say also, that at all stages in the recent rounds of design, the issue of the informal economy has been present. I'm not sure a solution has been found that will be acceptable. It's a serious problem. But there are pension funds in the world now. Maybe I should say one last thing. There was a trend during this period of what they call neoliberalism to switch to defined contribution funds. From what we have been informed, the trend has public pension funds have reversed. The trend is towards defined benefit funds. And I think I'm going to leave my comments, but thank you very much.